like I said, I'm live in Owerri. So when I told them that we are coming to do it straight, Fesi, now one naka, Fesi, Umunoha, Shebu na say they lie about land abi, we go know who they lie about that land. You see that land matter? Now I come for. Those of you from Osu, nobody should bother yourselves. The operation is Umunoha. Those vehicles is just for the clearance of those mines. How many people have they died with their IEDs since January? So that's what those vehicles are for. Disregard that guy you people call Kesh and the nonsense he's saying. Trying to put panic in his community. What do you gain by spreading panic in your community? What do you gain by spreading panic in your community? Me, I mean, no worry. I know the day far they talk my own. Would they go Umunoha? Don't go see me for Umunoha. Don't be go come. I don't worry like this. Now the angel be this now. Who knows here? Now the angel be this. And for that side they do the video, but now because of this thing, noise too much there. If not, I go there. I don't worry like this. If I tell you say it go happen. Umunoha. So you people think you can steal people's land? Don't worry, we will soon explain yourselves. All of you. You go there, my front to the top. You see that Umunoha, you say they go enter. If they see us there. Also people are better, more than no worry on ourselves. Nothing they happen for us. All those things not to clear those mines. Those IEDs. They are there to clear the IEDs. Don't buy that nonsense they are writing for you people. I don't know where they are getting their nonsense information from. Somebody that is not in Imo State. The operation that is happening is Umunoha. No, so you know why you are panicking. You and your eye pencil. Umuewu. You and your eye pencil. Kakwa go there once. Onye boss on near. Onye boss on near. Kakwa ya once. Doyiru can ndosage. I couldn't try it by trigger. Check out my trigger now. I don't worry like this. You know, tell her that land matter be, you go here when you go here when I go deal with you. She said, I mean, when they carry all this nonsense going for. Ndubisi, see, you are your guys. May everybody clear road though. Like, thunder go fire people, mama. That's where una dey find. Una go see am. Utobo, I dey outside that now the angel I dey like this. Come here, make you die immediately. If you no die this night, see am. Now angel be this. Noise dey outside. I know if they do video for outside, noise dey. Umuewu. Deri. Please, those of you in Osu, don't go and start developing high BP. There is nobody coming to attack or do anything in Osu or Udele Valley. That one is not operation that they just do any day. Okay? If you are from Umunoha, tell your people, Akwifurija, Ofrodonanya Manakwia, onye no na nanti na agbakwa. Isi na ịchọrọ efukwa. Ịchọ asị gịnị? Ofrodonanya manija, onuru na ntị na agba na mmiri ya bụ mmiri ndị Owerri. Ya kwa n'Owerri ka a na-ere mmiri a na ya. Ọrụ ndị Owerri nwe mmiri a maka ndị na-asị gị AI ikpu nnunu die. Thunder ga-agbagbu ikpu nne ndị mmadụ ga-agbatu bantaya this time around. Akwa Umunoha asị na na-ada aba. Okorugo nke iwere anụ obodo. Nke individual ezughọrọ unu. Nọsọ nkwa isi na gịnị mere isi n'ikpu nne gị mere gịnị? Anụ mpama. Ị ga-emecha bịa kọwa ebe You will come and explain where I was an IPOB member, let alone embezzling IPOB money. Just wait. You see that land matter? I dey come look the land myself. I go tape am, I go measure am. You see that document of that land, that Supreme Court judgment, I must live with it. I will leave Umunoha with that document, that land document. I pencil, Tinyiru, Doniru, Doniru. Yeah, for thunder anybody. A J person go collect, yeah, like your full village. I never hear waiting what happened before. For that Umunoha, think I get it when the mother there. I do come ready for no. Also to go kweo. Iya hunu na choices from the politician to everybody. As me buy ni jaja. Na akoheri. Please, those of you in Osun, relax yourself. Nothing is happening in Osun. Those vehicles are there. Those are not armored tanks. Don't you know how an armored tank looks like? Okay, even the bingos. Oh, even the bingos. Hey, I go delete instead of blocking. Even the bingos where they see like this. Tell them make this video that thing where they call armored tank for you. Nasa armored tank de umutobu umuichemwe nke gara school. Ndo too gentle and make up. Chakwa meno no na-egwa high. You know tell us. You know tell Gene, don't worry. Kaiji go do Umunoha nye example. Umunoha agwa munu. No foro n'anya ma nija onuru na ntị na-agba. No so nkwa chere m ịpụkwara na Umunoha ahụ isi na declare nne gị ka nna gị. Enwere onye si gị na ọ na even my village this night. This night na boy ya amụọ gị. Ọ bụ na agba ndị ke from airport how far lọkọ ka apụta na-ekwu ya n'ọnụ. Ke ka ọ dị n'airport. Nke ahụ efuru bụ prayer mbuto ihe ga-eme gị. Umunoha, we are coming. Umunoha, we are coming. That land abi, you say make I give you evidence. No, I dey come show you the people who get the land. Ndị Umunoha, onye kill ya from ebe ahụ. Ụmụ ewu. Kill akwa anụ from there. Akwa unu sinu nchọrọ ịnọ. Don't worry ka agba ya agba. Those of you in Sudan, like I said, disregard all those nonsense. You know why I'm telling you people? Because I want everybody to have everything that's going to happen on camera. Umunoha, please set cameras everywhere in your community, please. Set camera. Now let us see who will be afraid of cameras in the Umunoha. Because our cause is right. We want everything on video. We want everything on video. Make we see the kind people will go fall and make the person come tell us say this one an innocent person. Ndoshi. Because they use non-sonkwa. They distract honor. They commit evil. Now they want thief people land. They want thief people land. Ndoshi. Now want thief people land. You say me I dey lie about that land. I say I dey come to measure them. I go measure them. Kamfugodi ya na awu na anya. Umutobo. Very stupid set of people. Also people sleep very well. Ask anybody, say may they show you where anything happened for us. Even this night, tomorrow morning, people from us, ask yourself, go and check in the morning, please. People do video in also in the morning. Do video for us tomorrow morning. Show us where waiting the happen for the Kevan. Show us any video tomorrow morning where they write fake news for now the people there social media want grow their page. We go soon know who then they work for. Why would you send people into panic? Why do you want to panic people? And also, please, from January till now, how many times did IED buy people? The vehicles you are seeing are for the clearance of the IED. Everybody sleep well in your house. Sleep. Tomorrow morning, please, if I lie, all of you unfollow me from this page. If tomorrow morning you hear anything, PM and also unfollow me from this page. I don't understand. Oh, come on, nothing will happen when operation reach. Now I go call you this one. This one, no. Just the land to want go do this thing. Why I'm saying this is because Umuoshi will go and start by people in Umunoha to cover for the lies they are lying over the land. No, so I'm not saying now. I person I go send you to come they do this nonsense video. I person is na ako when ako eri ya na ako eri. Puta ka akwa ya. I don't know whether you know about the angel or boy neighbor no. Yeah, about the angel. The angel went on the motor because of noise the outside. Noise the outside. So don't you guys, hit the like button and share this video, please. I want them to see very well. Like my wagi kanchi, wagi chaka. I'm calling a video. Kafu konyo sieme. Tinya no camera everywhere. Don't miss this action. Don't mix this action. Tinya camera ni hubegi. I want you all to put cameras everywhere. Modi amigwe. Put cameras there. Atom ka kwa ya ko no obuna afuka esi emi ya. Asing no furu n'anya anaghị ije. Enu na ntị na agba. Isi na ọka efu ị ga-afụkwa ya. You go see am. Anybody also ya buru. I don't care the politician if he in name. Instead of man record any no video. Anyone bezebe aku eri. No happy. Ka tonda babugunu. Makabaru nkete. We must enter that camp. We go enter that camp. Agunu sunu chọrọ igbo egbe. Ka afuzie ndị ji ọnụ agba egbe na ndị ji aka akpatiriga. Ka afu ndị ji aka akpọ ụbọ. Akwesi n'Imo eme. Ukwu na-afịa ogodo na-afịa. Ukwu na-afịa ogodo na-afịa. Anybody can get it. Oh, Gentle B44 Butus achọkwa m ime onye bụ. Tiniru di ake doniru ke free. And I get measure ana. You said I'm lying over the land? That you people are not trying to steal this land? No son kwa thunder fire you. Idiot. You say who? You will come your radio station, you will run. Say who they pay me to come radio. So somebody need to pay me to come talk the truth about what thing that happen for my state. Thunder fire all of honor. Not me come over like this. So to you, that's there stealing from people Onyuoshi, waiting to pursue you for your boarding school where you did before. Onyuoshi. Na based on election, they came back and Imo State Daruchago. Oh, that's why you've been trumpeting for them, thinking you can use it to get to power. Deputy Governor leave you abi. Hey, because even generals where they our area, they just keep quiet for now. Thunder babugunu. Kai go sizunu kai keme. Iyahu nu choro. If otobni shichoe, hot or cold, ige weria. Asemunu tinu camera everywhere. Put camera everywhere, no more, so you don't miss the action. Pay-per-view, but this one are free to view. And also, I said the law about that land, Abi. Don't worry, I've come to measure that land myself. He said that they pursue you for Imo State. They crazy. They pursue your mama. Because people live on her. Because this one now, I don't know if they have planning attack in Osu, so they will say it's army. Please, Ndosu, I heard they kidnapped one man this evening. Yesterday. Because I have kidnapped. You go to Ghana, no, I have kidnapped and then they couldn't kidnap. Okay, kidnapped today. Yes. Okay, those of they are telling you that this thing is they are telling you that also have armor tank. So ask them, where was that armor tank where they kidnapped that man? Marcel Ogunda. If na armor tank they there, why they kidnap Marcel Ogunda for Osu today? Like I said, check if there is any attack you hear in Osu tomorrow morning, and somebody is posting nonsense news that also fire on fire. Who and who put fire in Osu? Cash, you and who put fire in Osu? You are saying to Udele Valley. How? Where? Did anybody put fire in Udele Valley? When I say na armor tank, so armor tank go park for Osu, then go kidnap somebody, Marcel Ogunda. Then kidnap Marcel Ogunda today. Now people will say then they fight for freedom for now. Marcel Ogunda is in their custody. Ask those of you from Osu, go and check this news. Those of you from Osu, go and check this news. So if there is any fire in Osu, who kidnapped Marcel Ogunda? Don't mind them. Also, people sleep very well. Nobody is touching you. Then I want to announce this one because you know, say then Sabi go carry attack. Say na police. Oh, na me. I do with it like this. We want go measure that land. That land where no song was saying na lies. Yeah, they lie. I go there do video. I go measure them. Now I pencil them get the camp where they there. We go even go show on all the places where they bury people. They say me at the lie. Don't worry, we go see them. Asengina ofronanya manakwa onurunanti bawa. Nobody. If we are not man nija. So my people, thank you so much. Let's see tomorrow morning if there is any attack you hear in Osu. If you hear any attack, don't count me as a human being again.